let's talk about the seasonings that we're going to use. So you've got tablespoon, teaspoon, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon. What I've got going on here is about like a quarter of a cup, or let's say 3 tablespoons of chopped flat leaf parsley. You could use curly parsley, whatever works. What this does is this gives a nice grassy note, a fresh note to the seasoning and to your eventual turkey when you're cooking it and all that good stuff. Then I've got 1 teaspoon of paprika. I like this for the smokiness, right? I like that woodsy kind of smokiness that you get from the turkey. It almost gives it a quote unquote smoked turkey flavor. If you don't want to put it in, you don't have to. It's not, you can use whatever seasonings you want, but this is what I like and this is what I use. Okay, then I've got a teaspoon of lemon pepper. There are so many varieties. There's McCormick. There's all these little boutique-y lemon pepper places that put out their own seasoning blends. Costco sells a version. Whatever you want to use, the whole reason for this is to try to get that tangy, bright, sassy kind of a note to the flavor profile. Then what I've got is I've got about a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon here. I like the spice, right? Not spice in terms of heat. We'll talk about that in a second, but spice in terms of spice. It's the holidays, right? You're making a Thanksgiving turkey. I just like that flavor profile that the quarter teaspoon of cinnamon gives. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. Okay, next is a half teaspoon of thyme or rosemary. You could use either one or both. What that does is that gives you, again, a deeper grassy flavor that the parsley kind of set the seasoning up for. So thyme or rosemary, either one. If you have fresh and you want to use fresh, just double the amount, use a full teaspoon. Obviously this is dried, it's more concentrated, so that's why there's a half teaspoon. Okay, next over, quarter teaspoon of red chili flake. What the red chili flake does is it hits your tongue in a different way. It's just a heat thing. You don't have to put it in if you don't like heat, if you don't like spicy in terms of heat, but I like it. Then I've got about a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. So the black pepper and the red pepper hit your tongue in different ways. Black pepper is just, it's an essential of cooking, and I love it for the flavor. Then I've got a teaspoon of Himalayan pink Himalayan salt, whatever it is. You could use whatever salt you want. If you want to use table salt or whatever, you want to use your iodized salt, you want to use your Celtic sea salt, whatever floats your boat. I like this. This is what I use. Okay, so we talked about the parsley, 3 tablespoons or about a quarter of a cup. Now let's go over here. I've got a quarter of an onion. Believe it or not, this thing exploded when I chopped it. But I've got a quarter of an onion. Like, take a full onion, cut it into quarters. 1/4 chopped up. Red onion is usually what I prefer. It has a unique flavor, taste, all that good stuff, so I like using that. You could use a yellow onion, Maui onion, white onion, whatever floats your boat. It's that onion and garlic combo that makes my turkeys super flavorful, and it gives it that just, that like baked oven goodness flavor smell that you all love. Okay, garlic. This is about 5 cloves of garlic, or give or take around a tablespoon and a half, right? Tablespoon and a half of garlic. You can put more, you can put less. Try to chop it as fine as you can or you want to. I like to leave it a little chunky just so it holds up better in the oven. But anyways, you get the idea. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. That's just going to impart a nice tangy flavor to the mix. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice as well. That's also going to give it a nice bright, tangy, sassy kind of a note. If you notice, we've got lemon juice and lemon pepper because they do different things to the turkey in the oven during the cooking process. The star of the show is the butter. This is 1 pound of butter, basically 1 block of butter, or if you want to measure it out, it's basically 2 cups. So 2 cups or 1 pound of butter. We're going to soften this. And then what I'm also going to do is I've got some olive oil here, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil into the softened butter mix. These do 2 different things. The butter is basically moisturizing, tenderizing, or not tenderizing, but just keeping the bird moist and kind of being the vessel, like the train that carries the flavor to the actual meat as it cooks. What the oil does is the oil helps with the crisping, right? It helps to like give you that nice crispy skin, but also the olive oil will prevent the butter from burning during that 1 hour or so cooking process. And we'll get into that in the next video. So make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, wherever that is down there. Also, check out the description section, notification bell, all that good stuff, so that you can follow along in this video series. So what I want to do